Welcome to the Spartan Machinery, where innovation meets excellence. At the Spartan Machinery, we are revolutionizing the construction equipment industry by delivering the perfect fusion of cutting-edge technology, precision engineering, and global-grade performance. Our advanced machines feature an integrated system of heavy hydraulic pressure and German vibration technology, ensuring unmatched strength, speed, and accuracy, all within a single powerful unit. Designed to produce a diverse range of products including fly ash bricks, paver blocks, solid blocks, concrete blocks, hollow blocks, and more, our solutions are trusted by top developers, contractors, and infrastructure leaders across India and beyond. What truly sets the Spartan Machinery apart is our fully automatic system, equipped with robotic lifting arms, automated stacking, and a highly efficient material batching system, all working in harmony to minimize labor, reduce errors, and maximize output. We proudly introduce our low-maintenance, high-performance machines, designed to deliver more while demanding less. With our single mold technology, you get consistent output with optimal precision, every single time. Whether you're setting up a new plant or upgrading an existing one, the Spartan Machinery is ready to support you. From small-scale operations to large-scale industrial setups, we offer machines tailored for every business size, backed by full customization to suit your production goals, space layout, and project requirements. Recognized as one of India's top manufacturers and exporters, the Spartan Machinery is now globally available, empowering clients across the world to elevate their construction standards. We don't just provide machines, we provide intelligent, future-ready solutions built to perform, built to last, and built to lead. The Spartan Machinery is more than just a brand, it's the future of construction manufacturing.